Force. What is force? Force is simple push and pull. Push and pull. Repeat after me. What is force? Force
Push
is
and pull.
exactly what we can do through force. What we can do?
Yeah.
With the help of force, we can make an object to move. We can make an object to move. Okay? And what we can do? What more thing we can do through force? A force can change the direction of moving object. Okay? It can change, and it can also change. It can also change the direction.
Okay.
And direction of moving object. Is it clear, dear?
Yeah.
Okay, sweetie. Okay. And what can you tell me about force? Something something that is coming in your brain about the force? Yeah. It can
Gravity?
stop. It can stop a moving object.
Oh yeah.
It can stop an moving object. Is it clear, dear? Is it clear, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I throw a ball towards you, and the ball is moving. Okay, that is coming towards you. What will you do? How can you make you stop the ball? You will catch the ball like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you apply the force on the ball. So what can force can do? It can stop a moving object. Okay. And it can change the direction of moving object. How? Have you played badminton anytime? Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we apply force on shuttle. And right now, if the shuttle is coming in that direction, what will we do? We can pull like this and we can pull like this. Okay, we can change the direction of moving object. Is it clear, sweetie? And it can change the shape of an object. It can change the shape. It can change the shape of an object. Okay, dear? Is it clear? So now force can divide it into two parts. How many parts? Tell me how many parts it can be divided into two parts, dear. Okay? Force can divide it into two parts. Repeat after me. Force can divide it into two parts.
Force can divide it into two parts.
Okay, what are those parts? Now let me write here. Do here one thing. That is, yeah. Force can divide it into two parts. Number one is contact force. Repeat after me. Contact force.
Contact force.
And non-contact force.
Non-contact force.
And what does it mean about the contact force? Could you please tell me as a word contact? What does it mean? Could you tell me?
Like contact means like, for example, if you talk to somebody or like you see, like you touch something.
Exactly. Good. When it is a type of force that needs the object to touch. Okay, suppose you want to go outside the room. What will you do? You will push the door. Okay, you are going in direct contact of the door. Okay, you are touching the door. Okay, for open, for getting close the door. Okay, so this kind of force is called as a contact force, dear. Okay, and what is the non-contact force? Could you tell me what is non-contact force?
The thing that does not touch.
Yeah, exactly. And could you please give me any example? Yeah.
So maybe like if you have a shuttle, then you touch like the round thing and not the.
Yeah. Please repeat. You are very close to the answer. Very good.
So
tell
like
me.
you have a shuttle, so then you touch like the top of the shuttle when you hit it, but not like the bottom.
Yeah. No, dear. No, sweetie. Gravitation force. Do you know what is gravitation?
Yeah.
What do you know about gravitation?
It's the force that pulls things to the ground.
Yeah, very nice. Very good. Suppose, suppose I have a little spoon. Okay. If
Mhm.
I drop this spoon like this, why? Why the spoon is, when I drop the spoon, this spoon is going towards the earth.
Okay.
Gravitation force is not a force. Suppose you jump. I'm sitting here. Okay. If I jump, then I will come towards the earth. This is called the gravitation force. This force cannot require direct touch. Okay. It is a type of force that can happen without the object touching. Okay. Okay. Earth is not going to touch this holder. Huh? Earth is not going to touch this spoon. Okay. Earth is not going to touch this spoon. Although when I drop this spoon, it is going towards the earth. Earth is not going to touch this spoon. This kind of force, when there is no any kind of touch, that is called as a non-contact force.
Okay.
Okay, sweetie? So let me write here non-contact force. Number one is, repeat after me, gravitation force.
We can make an object move.
Gravitation force. Oh, wait. Let me write here a definition. What will be the definition of contact force? It is a type of force that needs the object to touch. Okay. Let me write here. It is a type of force. My writing is clear to you?
Yeah.
It is a type of force that require, okay, that needs the object to touch. Is it clear, dear?
Yeah.
To touch. And then non-contact force that do not, without the object touching. Okay. It do not needs the object to touch. It doesn't need the object. Wait, the object to touch. Now, and we have number one is gravitation force. Gravitation force is clear to you, dear?
Yeah.
Okay, dear. Now, second is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Okay, dear? Okay. Now, what is electrostatic force? Can you tell me?
So you have static energy?
No.
Then I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. You are not sure about the electrostatic force. Let me tell you about something about the electrostatic force. Something happened. Where are you now? What is the weather of what is the weather of where you are living? Is it a cold or hot weather?
Cold.
It's cold. Okay, it's a cold. Anika, have you noticed that when you touch a woolen cloth and you get some little bit electric shock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Something happened with you.
Yeah, you feel it.
Suppose you are going on your bed for sleeping, and when you touch your blanket or any woolen cloth, you get some electric shock from your blanket. And when you wear something